Welcome to the JMT.
One that they talk say it no go end choo for this one we dey so. Very dark man don't come outside though. He don't talk say he don't receive message. Say he don't receive threats they come since so he just start to talk about this mobile matter. He say but the one way just shock and pass. Now this one way just see recently so. He say anonymous person just send a message. Talk say he know he whereabouts for Abuja. He know where they stay, he know he joint. Say they don't already pay him to take buy him. Say in 7 days time they will buy him. My people, this one not be they say now. This one a koro. Now under this person message, you now go see people comment. No problem. Do it. His own is too much. He's doing too much. Not be only one in Nigeria. And tomorrow, God forbid, bad things until happen to this dark man. So now they will come out to they say justice. Now so that time, Mohbad case, when the guy they talk, nobody come out to talk. Oh, nobody come out to do this one. Oh, nah. Mohbad don't buy. Everybody don't they do justice for Mohbad, they do procession. Anyway, my people, make una listen to watin dark man get to talk. Make una hear am for una self, and make una not forget to comment for this our video. Una do.
Anonymous collective on Facebook say a man was mentioned today, Martin Black. He is said to have another name, very black person. He is a target for elimination. Contact is being made and funds have been paid. The said man eliminated. Current time here in Hawaii is 6:45 and instruction has been given to eliminate this said man within the next 7 days. His current location and region is Abuja. 3 days ago he was seen in a location named Muscle and Bustle in the company of an unknown man who we now understand his name is Joseph N.D. Joseph is said to be a regular at the location. He was called a snooker freak and the man mentioned is being trailed for the past 5 days. Instruction is given, eliminate him. The person mentioned must be made to understand the situation, which shall remain anonymous. Now, when I saw this thing, because I just read it now, I checked the comments. Let me read the comments. Nice one. Well done, sir. Thank you, sir. Good work. You are doing well. We are behind you fully. See this other side of the comment. This guy must be very vigilant. Well done, the great Anonymous. I know Martin thought he stay in the UK. Now him sabi, shey he leave justice, they find another diversion. I will never play with any of your info, the great Anonymous. Wow, that's all I don't take it because I give an opinion about something. So they post me for a page, say they won't come buy me. All of now they shout nice one. Thank you, sir. We love what you do. We are strongly behind you. They say they won't buy your fellow human being. And these same people, they shout justice for Mohbad, they cry up and down. For the past few days now so that they insult me, they tag me to different things. You will die, you will do this one, it no go better for you. Everything, ta. From the past how many days now? For opinion. For the past how many days? Anyways, I'm sorry to burst your bubble, yeah. Number one, in the next few days, I will tell the person, I don't text the person, should I send you my location? I even give the person 15 days, nothing they happen. Nothing. I always talk and say, if you do jazz for me, it go bounce. Because you need faith to move jazz. And me, I get faith, see your jazz no go work. Our two faith will clash. Do you understand? And my faith strong person go bounce on. Do you understand? Nobody feel knock me unless God knock me. And I read matters I represent. Men mounts, men balance, everywhere good. So for those of you that are being pained, and then I know what people don't like. You people hate the fact that this guy is confident 100%. The guy not they fear nobody. Una the first, una they wish you una be me right now. And at the best are popular doing the right thing. Then man, the first oh, this guy just blew doing the right thing. When I never see those kind of things before. Normally people they blow doing skits, do comedy, do music, do that, enter controversy, release their tape, all those kind of things. But me, I just follow one part to do the right thing and I blow the pain on. Now don't they wish me say make I buy. It's alright. We move. Not sing the song. Don't play, else you will learn. And they will learn in a hard way. DJ